Filling your clinic's schedule shouldn't feel like guesswork. That's why we created the PatientFlow Protocol, a 5-step system built exclusively for HRT and TRT clinics to deliver predictable patient growth. Most clinics don't have a lead problem. They have a follow-up and conversion problem. You're great when people show up, but staff burnout, slow response times, and inconsistent marketing leave too many open slots. MedVitalize installs a complete growth system. We handle the offer, the ads, the funnel, the automation, everything. So you just show up to consults with qualified booked patients. We guarantee 50 new booked appointments in 90 days, or we work for free until you get them. It's that simple. Real results, no fluff. Our proprietary 5-step process includes offer mapping, attraction assets, funnel fusion, rapid response nurture, and your PatientFlow command center. It's everything your clinic needs to grow, already done for you. Close just 10 of the 50 appointments we deliver, and you could generate over $26,000 in new revenue. Your investment? Starting at just $2,000, with long-term systems that keep working after we're done. We only work with one clinic per local area. Click below to schedule your free strategy call and see if your city is still available.